Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to easily change a white t-shirt into a black t-shirt. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my model over here and I'll be changing his white t-shirt into a black t-shirt. So to do that, I'll first make a selection of the white t-shirt over here. So I'll right click here and select object selection tool. Over here, make sure the mode is set to lasso and gently draw around the model's t-shirt to make a selection of it. So gently draw and just take your time to make the selection. So let's see. Nice. Now we have the selection. I think I'll have to refine the selection. So I'll press P to activate my pen tool. Then I'll make a selection. Okay, I'll make a selection over here. And to add that part to the selection, hold down Shift Command Enter or Shift Control Enter to add it. Let's do the same thing, something similar for the right side. And let's go with something like this. So Shift Command Enter. Perfect. So with the white t-shirt selection active, let's add a curves adjustment here. After adding the curves adjustment layer, you see that the curves adjustment layer came with the layer mask of our t-shirt selection. So left click here and drag it down. So something like this is okay. Now left click and hold the middle part and also drag that side down. Something like this is okay. And then when you zoom in closely, the edges of the selection isn't that right. So let's try and then fix it. Hold down the Command or Control key and left click in the layer mask once to activate the selection. Go to Select, Modify, and select Expand. Over here, set the expand value to 1 pixels and click on OK. So with that done, select your brush tool, make sure your foreground color is set to white, and paint around the edges. Just paint around the edges. And then press Command D or Control D to deselect. I think our selection is okay now. But then the t-shirt looks too dark. So let's add some shine onto our t-shirt over here. So add another layer mask. Select this side to clip it onto the first curves layer mask. So what we do is, this time around, left click and hold the whites and drag from right to left. So let's go with value of 150. So let's go with 150. Something like this is okay for me. Then what I'll do is I'll select this side, go to FX and select blending options. While he'll be working with the underlining layer. So left click and hold and drag from left to right. So let's see, something like this is okay. So check this side. Now hold down the Option or Alt key, left click to split it, and then drag this side to the right. So let's go with something like, okay, let's go with 60. Then with this one, let's drag it to let's drag it 20, 25. I think 25 is okay, and click on OK. So if you see we've added some shiny stuff onto some kind of shine onto our t-shirts. So here is the before. At first our model was wearing a white t-shirt, and then here's the after changing the white t-shirt into black. Okay guys, so this is how to easily change a white t-shirt to black in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.